Welcome to my presentation. Today my presentation topic is application AR big data deduplication in cloud environment. Actually my presentation will be held based on a paper that published in IEEE on December 2019. The whole of this presentation will present by me and my name is MD Shafai Hussain. Abstract. Here they propose AppDedupe. Actually, it's an application or scalable inline distribution deduplication framework in cloud environment. By exploiting application awareness and data similarity and locality to optimize distribution deduplication with internode two-tier data routing and internode application aware deduplication. This could solve the challenge of traditional deduplication technique. Application has similarity indices with superchunk handprint to speed up the internode deduplication process with high efficiency. Introduction. So what is data deduplication? Data deduplication is a data reduction technique widely deployed in disk-based storage system. It saves data storage space, power, and cooling in data centers. It also decreases the administration time, operational complexity, and risks of human error. It partitions a large data into smaller parts, and the squad is chunk, and represent this chunk by their fingerprint. And it replaces the duplicate fingerprint by the unique fingerprint, and it improving the communication of and storage the efficiency. In this table we can see that AppDedupe is the first work on application awareness on distributed deduplication. Here is the feature of their AppDedupe application. AppDedupe is the first research work on leveraging application awareness in context of distributed deduplication. It performs two-tier routing decision by exploiting application awareness. It builds a global application route table and independent similarity indices. Evaluation results show that they achieve the high global deduplication effectiveness. These tables show us comparison of key features among representative distributed deduplication schemes. AppDedupe is most relevant to product and it overcomes many of weakness about these schemes. Application difference redundancy analysis. So from this table we can say that massive data comes from large number of applications from client. In cloud data center, they compare the chunk fingerprint of test dataset with inter-application and inter-application deduplication with fixed chunk size. The size of their chunk is 4 kilobyte. These results are consistent with previous published studies. This phenomena motivated them. They focused on three design principles to govern their aptitude system design. First one is throughput, second capacity, and third is scalability. This is their system overview. It consists three main components: client, dedupe, storage node, and reactor. Client. It partitions the data and chunk fingerprint and two-tier data routing. Client send the chunk to the dedupe storage node and fingerprint lookup to dedupe storage. Dedupe storage node, it has three main functional modules. One is application or similarity index lookup, chunk fingerprint caching, and parallel container management. It identifies the duplicate chunk fingerprint on caching to improving the performance of dedupe storage node. Dedupe storage node chunk the metadata update. Director stores the file receipt management and application or routing decision. Client can read or write file metadata from the director. Two-tier data routing scheme. They presented two-tier data routing scheme including the file level application or routing decision in director and superchunk level similarity aware data routing in client. They use two algorithms for this. Algorithm 1 application aware routing algorithm and algorithm 2 handprinting based stateful data routing. Here is the interconnect communication. Message exchange for stored operation. Here client first put file request to the director and director send put file response. After getting put file response from the director, client send lookup superchunk request to the dedupe server. Here you can see that there are three dedupe server 1, server 2, server 3. After getting the lookup superchunk request, the dedupe server find the similar index lookup. After getting this, the server lookup superchunk response to the client. After getting this, the client put superchunk request to the director, and director send the superchunk response to the client, and then client lookup chunk superchunk request on to the dedupe server on, and chunk fingerprint lookup, and then the dedupe server send the lookup chunk response to the client. Then the client send the unique superchunk to the dedupe server, and then the server store it. They repeat this step for each superchunk until the end of file is reached. This is the message exchange for retrieve operation. Here client first get file request to the director, and director send the file response, and then the client gets superchunk to the dedupe server. Server retrieve the superchunk and send the superchunk to the client. Key data structure in dedupe process. Here we can see that application route table is located into the directory. Here this table stores the file type and node ID and capacity of this file. And dedupe storage node application or similarity index stores the representative fingerprint and container ID of the handprint. And chunk fingerprint cache stores the recent user's fingerprint. Here they use Linux CPU 7 desktop server as a client, one server as a director, and 3 servers for dedupe storage. Workload. Here they collect 5 kinds of real-world dataset and 2 types of application trace for their experiment. Here, size column represent the original dataset capacity, and deduplication ratio column indicates the ratio of logical to physical size after deduplication with 4 kilobyte fixed chunk size. Evaluation matrix. The following evaluation metrics are used in their evaluation to comprehensively assess the performance of their prototype. This is the comparison of parallel deduplication throughput of application hour similarity index structure with that of the traditional similarity index structure for multiple data. Here we can see that parallel deduplication schemes with application layer similarity index perform much better than traditional similarity index. Here we can see that AppDedupe use less RAM from others. Conclusion. So we can say that AppDedupe significant advantage over the state-of-art distributed deduplication schemes for large cluster in following important two ways. First, it performs the extremely costly and poorly scalable stateful tight coupling scheme in cluster-wide deduplication ratio. Second, it significantly improves the stateless loss coupling schemes in the cluster-wide effective deduplication ratio.